Here's the 80% film, grinding the edge. So that's how Mike gets a really, really factory look there on the glass.
That's not a possibility that we're gonna do in this new beautiful truck that's yours. No. Woo! This is where people start walking and not driving.
Personal training, if you guys need personal training.
Functional body training.
Functional body training. Hit up or chat for the training needs here in Orange County.
Yeah.
Get you jacked.
Get you really
What you guys don't know is under that sweater, she's packing. She's strong, you saw that? Well, I chose quite literally the worst time to leave Orange County to Las Vegas. It is 4:40 p.m. on a Thursday. Idiot. Absolute idiot. But we're on the way. Let me show you guys why I pulled the roof rack off before coming to Vegas. Oh my gosh. Welcome to Las Vegas, Nevada. We are here on a mission, and that mission is to get some window tint done here on the new Tacoma. And I can't freaking wait, dude, because there's a lot of cool things done to the truck. I mean, we have the lift, wheels, tires, sliders, roof rack, bed stiffeners, ditch lights, but no window tint, which doesn't look right. You guys are probably wondering why I'm all the way here in Vegas for some window tint when there's a tint shop on every corner pretty much back home. I am very picky with window tint, and my boy Mike does amazing work. He's done 3 of my trucks now and never misses. So I'm here for that alone. But now that I'm here, may as well make a weekend trip out of it. So I'm here at the Treasure Island for tonight and then off to the Conrad for the remainder of the weekend. So should be fun, and then head back home with some new tint. It is very cold, by the way. If you guys are coming to Vegas, be prepared for the chill because it is freezing right now. Also too, this here is how you park in a structure away from everybody else. We have pretty much the entire top floor to ourselves here on the 7th floor of the rooftop of the structure. That's how you do it. Take notes. Maybe I don't want to park up here either, actually. Hopefully you guys aren't afraid of heights because we are 34 floors up, dude, with a strip view too, which is super cool, and a view of the parking lot as well where the truck is parked, which is always a plus. Tell me, how much would you guys have to get paid to be a window washer at a high-rise hotel like these ones in Vegas? There is no dollar amount you can pay me to do that. I am terrified of heights. Anyways, we're gonna go find Mike. I think we're going to his house today for the window tint. First things first though, find some food. Check out of here, and I'm going to a new hotel tonight. Cindy flies in from California tonight, and she's a little bougier than me with hotels. This is brutal. I burn so easy too, so window tint is like mandatory for me. Yeah, bro, this is not it. So it's a good day. I'm pretty hyped. Mike's scoping it out. I think he likes it. Yeah, you like that? My clear broad job? So it's been a minute. I came down, what, 6 months ago probably?
About.
Maybe 5 months ago
Yeah.
or so in the Tundra. Had to come down again, dude.
Yeah,
Worth the drive. So for tint shades, I don't know. I'm thinking the same thing.
You went 5 on the sides and rear, and then you went 80% on the windshield.
80% in the windshield, super light.
Practically clear.
It's pretty much clear. I'd love to do 45, dude, but
Yeah. You do go off-road. If you're ever off-road at night,
it sucks.
with a dark windshield.
It sucks.
Yeah, there's no street lights.
I'm not gonna do that. Just for that reason alone, if I'm out there and it's like the days are short or I'm out there at nighttime, dude.
Down and you're still out.
Exactly. That's why I'm doing 80, because I did 40, my SR5, I did 40% on the windshield and out in the dunes at nighttime kind of sucks.
Yeah,
we'll keep it mature this time around again and do 80 on the front.
Sounds good.
And then 5 on the sides and rear. So from factory, the 20% right there with the 5 on top of that. There's a comparison right there.
Oh yeah.
Dang. Grinding the edge. So that's how Mike gets a really, really factory look there on the glass. My favorite part. So clean, right up on the edge there. Oh.
I don't know, you probably can't get it on the camera, but like this tiny little, see that? And then you can just come and...
What? Factory look right there. Aside from the limo tint, but you know.
Dark factory.
using the XPEL Black series. That is the nano ceramic. So this one's the, I guess, one step below the most highest performing level you can get. So 99% UV protection and about 80% on the IR.
Infrared heat with the 5%. Darkest films blocking about 80% of the heat you feel.
The highest level, which is a lot more expensive anyways, is 96%, right?
Yeah, and it's twice the price.
It's a lot more expensive.
Yeah.
So it just doesn't make any sense to even go that route. If you ask me at least.
A bunch of money.
What's this?
Baby powder.
Slap some baby powder on there?
Yeah. Take the static out.
Techniques. Here's the 80% film. As you guys can see, it's not dark at all. This is new.
Yeah, I got some new ones. All new
So
tools.
last time, oh nice. Last time I came down, this rope thing didn't have a cloth
wasn't
attached to it.
attached,
Yeah, it's awesome. Full protection. So Mike's tucking that into that gap between the windshield and the dash to avoid getting water on any of the electrical components. Golly. 10 out of 10 form, dude. I'd be so stressed. Sorry, I'm gonna shut up now. Oh my gosh. Dang.
See like the pressure?
Yep.
How slow I'm moving?
Yep. Roll them down just because we can. So with Mike, when he does your windows, you can roll them down same day.
Yes, sir. No issues.
There we go. Oh, that's amazing. Wow. All right, let's hop in this thing and get a view from the inside looking out. Oh my gosh. What a difference, dude. Amazing. Hop on in, bud.
Let's check
Go catch that sunset.
Oh, yeah.
Gotta love a newly tinted car. It's just a whole different truck in here now.
Yeah.
It's incredible. Gassing up real quick. New friend, what's up?
Dude, I'm a trend. I guess I'm going off-roading now, and I've never done that before, so
Is that what we're doing?
Yeah.
All right,
Find a
cool.
spot.
I think you're in good hands.
I sure hope so.
You never gone off-roading before?
No, not a day in my
Let's
life, dude.
go.
And all I do is crash my cars. I'm a terrible driver. I'm in Mark's car, and he's gonna take good care of me, and I have no worries in my life.
There we go.
Same here.
I gotta be honest, it's still a smooth ride back here, man. Me and
Is it?
we're killing it. It feels like we're on the highway to California. It's a beautiful ride back here.
I don't think we've gotten airborne quite yet, but
Well, we went into a ditch. We're not going airborne, Mark. We cannot do that. That's not a possibility that we're gonna do in this new beautiful truck that's yours. No. Woo! Yeah, that definitely can't. This is where people start walking and not driving, for sure.
no, we're good. We're good.
All right, well, if you say so.
Well, got defeated by the mountain here, unfortunately. Can't get past that. Just cuts power on me. All the way down the mountain we go.
Completely traversing in reverse.
Defeated.
Reversing in reverse. We gotta go back with our tails tucked.
Chilling poolside right now in Vegas, doing some editing, and I just watched the Westcott Designs YouTube video for the third time of me picking up my truck from their shop. That video is on their channel, go check it out. I'm still just at a loss for words on how the truck turned out. That was one of the coolest experiences to me ever, because I've never just dropped my truck off somewhere and been like, hey, do what you guys want to do to it, pick everything out from wheels and tires. I told them I want the lift done to it, and of course some bigger tires and some new wheels, and everything else you guys want to add to it, go ahead and do your thing. And the outcome literally had me speechless. When I walked in, it legit did not feel like my truck even. I'm still at a loss for words and disbelief with the outcome of just how perfect everything came out, from the attention to detail to the level of quality and the experience as well with the whole team at Westcott, because they're all so passionate and you absorb that passion from them. They love to teach, and overall the whole experience was just dope. So yeah, thank you to Westcott. Love you guys. Thank you so much for everything. Now I'm here in Vegas. I think the plan now is to pick up Mike, and then we're gonna go, I think do some off-roading in the desert of Las Vegas. I'm not too sure, but we'll see where the road takes us. Where are we going?
You want to go to the same spot or hello? Hi. Same spot or like behind Wet and Wild?
What's Irina think?
Place near Mount Charleston.
I don't know where that's at, but it sounds good.
It's maybe a little bit cold for shorts in there, but
Well, it's okay. We'll live. We'll survive. That's all that matters.
All right.
Let's roll. All right, dude. I don't know about this one. It's looking a little rocky up there. Didn't you just tell a story about how a renegade had to get rescued out of here?
I did.
Okay.
Customer today said
So
that the
you're
Renegade
taking us in the Renegade Killer.
Like, oh, what a great spot to go check out.
All right. Well, we can kind of sort of try. Well, this might be the day we test out the rock sliders. We're getting pretty rocky up here. Is that where the car got rescued, right here?
It looked like
Oh, not even that far up. Okay, well. So Mike took us on the Renegade Killer Trail here, as you guys can see. And it's, oh, there's people.
They're hiking.
Maybe they got stuck also in a Renegade.
Help me!
I don't know who that person is. This is where Mike took us.
Yeah.
And I don't think we should proceed any further because it's getting pretty rocky and the rocks are very loose.
double black diamond right here.
That chick's kind of freaking me out.
Me too.
Actually. Let's probably go. Let's probably go. Clear? Drop
A
down.
little drop coming right now, and then come.
You gonna take us on a nice, easier trail this time?
It doesn't look easy.
That one doesn't look good. Which
She's going to go on the road.
come on.
should we go that way?
Going straight.
Straight.
Say it again.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at Irina's outfit here. Give you guys a little teaser on the next wrap color. It's something in this ballpark right here. You guys met.
Yeah.
That story is a good story.
Oh,
You brought down your mom's car, right?
Yep.
And she was so impressed by his tint work and the way the window tint goes so flush with the top of the window. She was like, "Oh, you know what? The window tint being so close to the top of the window
I
had
almost
me."
faded. Like
And
I
she was-
just rolled the window down a little
And
bit.
you were like,
There's-
"Oh my gosh, can I get your number?" That's how it went down. Now they're here. 702-815.
9765.
9765. Hit up your boy Mike for that. Real good tint. There's a mountain peak back here somewhere about 12,000 feet. So Vegas is already, what, 2,000 and some change feet in elevation? So there's a mountain peak over here. I forget what it's called, but
Mount Charleston.
Mount Charleston.
Yeah.
And it's 12,000 feet, I think. But anyways, we're going to go where it's a bit flatter.
Yep.
Somewhere that way. Let's roll. At your service. Oh, it's gonna get a little bumpy, guys. Oh, no. Oh, dude, we lost momentum.
Yeah, get back up.
Nope, we're good. are back home in California, dude. Huge thank you to Mike for this tint job, dude. It looks absolutely amazing. There's no trash in the film. The cuts are perfect. The way he shaves it gets it nice and close to the edge of the glass. I know 5% tint's not for everyone, by the way. Trust me, I get it. I've heard my fair share of comments from you guys talking about, oh, it's too dark, but like, I love the way it looks. I love the privacy of it. And if you ever need to, you can roll them down. It's not a huge deal as opposed to the windshield. That's a different story, right? You can't roll that one down if you need better visibility in a certain situation. Like when I'm out in a very dark area and there's no lighting and stuff, then having super dark tint on the windshield is kind of a bust. I mean, the limo tint, we're kind of facing the sun right now too. It's kind of off to the side there, but it is coming through the windshield a little bit, as you guys can see. So it's bringing some light onto the inside of the truck there. It's not fully blacked out. You can see a little silhouette of some things in there, but yeah, it's pretty dark though, which I love. And then the 80% on the windshield, I mean, if you had it side by side with a car that had no window tint on the windshield and then yours had 80%, is probably the only time you notice there being a difference. But I mean, you can't tell there's tint on that windshield at all, but you get full performance out of it with the IR and the UV blockage. The IR is what you feel. So IR is the heat rejection. Pretty much all films give 99% of UV, which is the stuff that causes cancer. So good to have some UV blockage as well. So one common misconception I hear sometimes is going with a darker shade of tint gives you more heat rejection than a lighter shade. For example, being my 5% tint here on the side windows is going to give us a lot more heat rejection on these windows versus the 80% tint there on the windshield. That is not quite the case when it comes to ceramic films. You can have a very light shade or a very dark shade, and the IR rejection or the heat rejection is going to be the same. There is one more tier above this as far as what XPEL has to offer in these ceramic films, which offers 96% of the IR rejection. Mine offers 78%, so not too far off. Is it worth the price difference? If you ask me, no, not at all. I think this here is a great middle ground as far as performance goes and price as well. So what I'll probably do next now is wrap up the mid pillars here in a gloss black to kind of match everything else as far as the roof goes there, and the windows have a shiny black look to them. And then that'll bring it all the way through to the front here on the A pillars. Maybe wrap the mirrors too in a gloss black. That's all I have for you guys for today. As always, hopefully you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys on the next one very soon. Peace out. Show them the full side profile.
It's awesome.
Looks amazing. XPEL XR Black. These are, or this is, this tint. So, post-Vegas problems, dude. I can't talk. This is the XPEL XR Black Series ceramic film